Dear second secondary students, it's my pleasure to welcome you all to a new lesson of English which is entitled High-Tech Transport. Number 1. Expansion. It's a noun. It means increase in the size or length of something. بمعنى يتمدد. Let's see the example. The expansion of the metro lines helped people in Egypt. Number 2. Facilities. It's a noun. It means places, buildings, or equipment that are used for an activity. بمعنى تسهيلات. For example, the underground is one of the facilities that connect between different places. Number 3. Network. It's a noun. Means any system that has a lot of connected parts. شبكة اتصالات. For example, this company has a great network. Number 4. High tech. It's a noun. Means something that uses a lot of new technology. استخدام للتكنولوجيا. For example, most of the malls have a high-tech technology system. Number 5. Public transport. It's a noun. Means buses, trains that anyone can use to travel around. وسائل المواصلات العامة. For example, the government planned to improve the public transport in Egypt. Let's see some exercises. Choose the correct answer from A, B, C, or D. Number 1. There are plans for a new metro line. We have 4 choices: making, building, taking, getting. The answer will be building. There are plans for building a new metro line. Number 2. Expansion is to and increase. What's the meaning of expansion? Have, make, grow, do. It means to grow and increase. Number 3. Salma has a great facility for math. The antonym of the word facility is. What's meant by antonym? It means the opposite. What is the opposite of facility? Easy, difficulty, talent, significant. The answer will be difficulty. Number 4. The new metro line connects the new capital, the Greater Cairo. Here we have a preposition. To, for, and A and C. The answer will be A and C. We can say to. Also we can say and. Number 5. Using transport solves the traffic problem. Public, line, current, great. The answer will be public transport. Let's read the following passage, then answer the questions. We hope that all our passengers will enjoy using our new Line 3. This expansion of the Cairo Metro adds 7 kilometers and 6 new stations to our underground network. Line 3 will help people in the east of the city to get to work faster and more efficiently because it connects Heliopolis and the central station of Adli Mansour. We expect that 1.5 million passengers will use the new line this year. High-tech systems were used to build this 21st century public transport system, and more expansion work is planned for in the future. By 2030, we expect to have built 3 more new lines to bring the total number to 6. We are already building Line 4, and we will have completed it by 2024. Line 4 will connect the east and west of Cairo and make it easier to travel around the city. However, Due to the expansion work on line 4, some trains will be late, and we may have to close some stations for short periods. Although we don't have a precise schedule for the building work on line 5 and 6 at the moment, we expect to have started building line 5 by the end of next year. We want to thank all Cairo Metro passengers for your understanding while the building work occurs. We hope that you will enjoy using the improved underground network. Now let's answer the following questions. Number 1. How much longer is the network with the addition of line 3? It adds 7 kilometers and 6 stations. Number 2. How many lines will the Cairo Metro have by 2030? How many lines? There will be 6 lines the Cairo Metro will have by 2030. Number 3. Which line are people building at the moment? They are making the 4th line. Number 4. What isn't known at the moment? The schedule for building line 5 and 6 isn't known at the moment. They don't know when they will finish it. Make notes on the advantages and disadvantages of using the metro. Now we are going to say the advantages and disadvantages of using metro and write it in a paragraph. Let's start. There are many advantages and disadvantages of using the metro. Let's start with the advantages. First of all, it has low cost that anyone can afford and it's money saving. Also, it can carry a lot of people compared to buses. The most important advantage is that it's the environmental friendly, less traffic, so it shares in saving the earth from pollution. It has some disadvantages. It creates noise pollution that is coming from bus itself and from crowd. There is a lot of overcrowding. There are lots of people who are standing while riding. In general, I think it's very good and easy public transport. Now we have come to the end of this lesson. Thank you and see you later in the next lesson.